when after all, we have also lost a sizable amount of our population dito sa security forces in government. Bakit ka mag-imbestiga dito ng kriminal? Samantalang sa Middle East and in other parts of the world, they're killing men, women, and children, bombing hospitals. And yet, I do not hear this. Gainit na ang ulo ko, so may I just drink water to your success. For those killed by the police in encounters, wala problema. And as a matter of fact, I have ordered an investigation for every killing and every encounter that results in an encounter, a bloody encounter. Alam mo, ang pulis kasi, kung may hulihin, hindi naglalakad yung mag-isa. I mean, they just go about